Located inside the Greeneville city limits, this beautifully maintained, better than new Craftsman-style, one-level condo offers custom upgrades, spacious living, and low-maintenance convenience. Thoughtfully customized to include a formal dining room and an expansive private deck, this home is ideal for both everyday living and entertaining. The open and airy interior features vaulted ceilings throughout the main living area, kitchen, and den, along with hardwood flooring throughout the home except for the custom porcelain tile bathrooms. The designer kitchen showcases granite countertops, an eat-in bar, convenient pass-through, and ample cabinetry. Plantation blinds add a polished finishing touch throughout. Offering 3 spacious bedrooms, the primary suite features a generously sized private bath with double vanities, a jetted tub, and a separate custom tiled shower. A large guest bath serves the additional 2 bedrooms. The oversized laundry and pantry area provides excellent storage and functionality. Additional features include a natural gas furnace, electric heat pump, and a roomy attached 2-car garage with access to additional attic storage. Step outside to enjoy the large private deck, providing plenty of space for relaxing or entertaining. Southridge HOA provides exterior maintenance from the studs out, including lawn maintenance, making this an excellent option for those seeking a more carefree lifestyle. Conveniently located near historic downtown Greeneville, shopping, dining, and everyday amenities, with easy access to the Tri-Cities, Asheville, and Knoxville. All information taken from a third-party source, courthouse/tax records, and to be verified by the buyer/buyer's agent. Drawn-in lines are approximate. Some elements, fires in fireplaces, twilight shading, lighting, etc., have been added/modified digitally. Rooms noted have been